Easy to spot the gaps in my knowledge, as if I'm learning a new language, as if from a dream goes unseen. I'm lasting in eons for your travellers, words and expressions I could not translate with meaning. I grasped I needed to examine my mind, to trust my feelings, trust my findings. And in time again, I found myself unsteady and frustrated. I needed to examine my true feelings. I slept longer than I used to. What do you mean about failings? Trust in me, trust in me, trust in me no more. See your truth scattered against the wall. Trust your truth no more. As within a dream no more. Trust in the emptiness of the eye no more, from its own side no more. I'm not here to fool you. I do not mean to fool you. Healing hands, healing all of life forevermore. With mouth extended, my yawn, my tongue. I made a sound of release, frustration as I laughed, silently, firmly, as I found myself smiling. I did this for the tormentors, for the holy, for the unholy. I did this for the house of cards, of life everlasting, everlasting life, everlasting no more. In another lifetime, the earth was full of mud and blood, mud and blood. The earth was full of mud and blood. We were creatures void of form. I gave you shelter from the storm. You gave me shelter from the storm. I gave protection. I gave salvation. I gave protection from the storm of the wrathful silent ones, wrathful of the silent witness. The judge that judges accordingly. I will not stand in your way. I will give you right of way. I will give damage no more. I need not to fool you anymore. Emptiness before the dawn. Trust in you. Christ before the dawn. We are only species. We must be treated. We must be treated right. We must treat each other the way we should be treated forevermore, forevermore, forevermore. I think I know. I've gone too far this time. We should find ways to work through differences, coexist, co-extend my final metamorphosis. Dawn before time, time before dawn. Just stay with me. You'll need to be stimulated and natural. Why does sex determine personality? Why does sex determine personality? This is no answer forevermore. Time to time no more. My sensory hands, these hands for healing. Knowing all of life. Trusting pagans. We need a whole lot of faith to get by. Wherever there is to trust, we trust. Whatever is known, we trust, we trust, we trust. Safety in numbers, I say. Eradicate samsara. Here comes nirvana. Maitreya Mayana, Maitreya Mayana, Maitreya Mayana. Done.